Welcome to the Oxygen Alliance YouTube channel, where we bring you videos on installation, maintenance, and various trainings on oxygen equipment and devices. If you have comments and or questions, drop them in the comment section below or write to us info@oxygenalliance.org. Remember to like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.
Hello and welcome. My name is Asante Jisa, a biomedical engineer with the Oxygen Alliance. Today, we'll look at how to troubleshoot a nebulizer that is not producing mist. A nebulizer is a medical device that is used to convert liquid medication into a mist that can be delivered directly into a patient's lungs. In this video, we'll be working with a Desco jet nebulizer. Like other jet nebulizer, this nebulizer uses pressurized air to convert the liquid medication into a fine mist. It has a power rating of 130 watts and it operates on 220 volts AC at a frequency of 50 Hz. This jet nebulizer assembly consists of a nebulizer kit and a compressor unit. This nebulizer's compressor draws in ambient air and compresses it to a pressure of 9 to 19 psi. To help you understand the airflow better, I'm going to open the machine. This nebulizer has a total of 7 screws. I'll use a starhead screwdriver to unscrew the screws. This is the compressor unit. Before the ambient air enters the compressor, it has to be filtered. This is the filter. Once the air has been filtered, it passes through this tubing and it enters the compressor where it is compressed. After it has been compressed, it passes through this tubing before it exits the nebulizer through this outlet. After that, the air proceeds to the nebulizer kit through this tubing. If a nebulizer is not producing mist, there are several possible causes. Some are technical, while others are user-related issues. I'll now take you through some of the most common causes of no mist production. The first common cause of no mist production is a dirty or clogged air filter. Like I showed you earlier, this is the air filter. A dirty or clogged air filter restricts airflow to the compressor. This results into low or no pressure supplied to the nebulizer kit. With low pressure, there will be no mist production. If the filter is dirty, it is recommended that it should be replaced. However, depending on the type of filter, you may just clean it. For example, with this filter. Another cause of no mist production is leakages within the system. Leaks in the system reduce air pressure before it reaches the medication, resulting in reduced or no mist. Common causes of leakages include loose connections, and this is mostly on the compressor inlet tubing connection points, the compressor outlet tubing connection points, as well as the nebulizer kit's air inlets. Another cause of these leakages include cracked tubings, and these cracks may occur anywhere along the tubings. Make sure that you carefully inspect all connections, and a simple method of doing this is applying foam to the suspected areas while the system is running. Another cause of no mist production is a worn-out compressor unit. The compressor unit comprises of a piston, a motor, and a fan. This is the most important component for nebulization, as it is a source of high pressure required for the process. Over time, components such as the piston may wear out, and this reduces the ability to generate sufficient pressure. A failing compressor unit can be identified by the following symptoms: weak or no airflow, abnormal noise, or overheating. Mostly, a weak or no airflow is caused by a clogged pump. For this reason, it is recommended to clean the unit. When there is overheating, please check the integrity of the fan as well as the motor windings. An abnormal noise is often caused by damaged gaskets, misalignment of the piston, or a clogged motor. Another common cause is incorrect alignment of the nebulizer kit components. The nebulizer kit components, such as the nebulizer cap and the baffle, may not be aligned correctly. Some nebulizer kits, for example this one, will only involve the assembly of the nebulizer cap and the mouthpiece, while others have a separate baffle and nozzle, and those require careful connections. Please make sure that these special connections are referred to the specific manual. With that, I have covered 4 common causes of no-miss production from your nebulizers. That's all I have for you today. I hope you have learned something new. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our next videos. Bye!